official communication has been sent to me yet, so I don't know how to answer your questions. Okay, so that's what I can say right now.
Pero sir, are you ready to be OIC na?
As a well, matagal tayo sa government and the DBM, and yes, yes, we will para sa bayan natin.
Sir, are you aware of Secta Candaman's resignation prior to the announcement?
Recently lang, I was surprised actually. Nagulat ako. Nanginginig pa nga ako ngayon.
Sir, so hindi na rin po alam na magiging OIC.
No, not at all. I
Kailan
was told only before she did. I was told that
Before she left?
she did the call because she will attend something in some meeting. So I was told na ako daw ang pinadala yung pangalan. So, that's how it was.
Ngayon lang din kinommunicate sa inyo, sir.
Yes,
Pero sir,
actually.
alam niyo nag-resign na siya?
No. Ngayon din lang.
Ngayon lang?
Oh, yeah.
Bago siya umalis?
Yes.
Sir, ngayon po kayo na po mag-lead sa UPM budget. Kasi mamaya po sa salang kayo.
Well, as it is right now, without my secretary, we are together with our senior staff present here right now. Okay.
Sir, what do you expect under your leadership?
Anyway, I think sabi ko wala pang official, so that's why I can answer. Yun lang
Anong
nangyari.
nararamdaman niyo, sir?
Actually, just surprise
You're
really.
nervous.
Yeah. Surprise really. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.